Hey everybody, thanks so for joining me. This is Mike again, back with another request for Mango Hippie. This is going to finish him out. This is another hunter and collector song, and it's called When the River Runs Dry. And it says uh, that the international audiences might know them best, the hunter and collectors, for this track, which became a massive breakthrough hit on the U.S. modern rock charts. Longtime fans know it as an absolute powerhouse of syncopated rhythm. It features a relentless, heavy funk infused rock groove and an aggressive brass assault that is guaranteed to get your viewers uh, moving immediately. All right, y'all. So let's just get into it and start it up. Here we go. Sorry. 1989. All right. Hmm. Yeah, that's 80s music right there.
Good news for beautiful people watching the world go by. Make love in the middle of a war zone. Hey, you're never gonna die. Don't rock the boat, keep your head down. Just another fool in the crowd. Everybody knows you can be a winner. Come on and shout it out loud. All right. Out of the land I've been living, it's only a matter of time. Sooner or later, you open your eyes and you return to the scene of the crime. Dig deep at the top of the heap, now you're bitten on the hand that feeds you. Got nothing but your soul to sell. You got nothing when the river runs dry. You will return to the scene of the crime when the river runs dry. Salvation will rain on you one more time when the river runs dry.
All right, man. Yeah, I've never heard it. It said it was a massive breakthrough. It's not what I was listening to in the 80s and in the 90s. So I've never heard this before. And regardless of it being a massive breakthrough, it didn't reach everybody, apparently. But yeah, I can tell, man, just by the beat and what's going on there and how people are dressed and makeup and the hair and things like that. That this is definitely uh, the last death rows of the '80s, and that kind of music beat to it. So it is a very energetic and it's pretty damn good.
You got the power, I got the money, another million miles to run. I'd cry for the future, but I wouldn't get anything done. Relax, burn the ship, turn your back on Mother Nature. Blind luck, destiny. Good news for beautiful people watching the world go by. Make love in the middle of a war zone. All of God's children are never gonna die. We will return to the scene of the crime when the river runs dry. Salvation will rain on you one more time when the river runs dry. You will return to the scene of the crime when the river runs dry. Salvation will rain on you one more time when the river runs. I'm going home to where the river runs dry. Salvation will rain on you one more time. It's only a matter of time. Only a matter of time.
Yeah, man, that was pretty well put together for the '80s. Even if this would have been in the '90s, that was a pretty well developed video, and it was a great developed beat, and you throw in the horns, and you can't go bad there. So there you guys go, man. Thank you, Mango. I hope you enjoyed all 10 of those, and to the rest of you, thanks for showing up, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So that being said, I'm going to get us out of here. So till I see y'all again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.